Namaste. Welcome to the Sahaj Yoga meditation. Through this yoga, we will connect our inner peace energy to the cosmos energy. In this yoga, we will learn about how to remove the stress from our mind, from our social life. Now, for this yoga, we will first start to know about the inner peace, how to get the inner peace. Through this, we will raise our Kundalini energy within us and to find the peace within us. This yoga is also called as Sahaja Yoga. Sah means to with, and Ja means is to born. And the yoga is the union with the divine or with the cosmos energy, the nature, with the nature. And this nature is also reside within us in the form of the Kundalini energy. So, how to awake this energy, we will learn through this yoga, through this meditation and yoga process. Let's see. So first, we will stand up and bow to the mother energy like this. Do it like that. And bow to the mother energy. Slowly get up. Keep on holding your both hands. Breathe up. Slowly breathe down. Now we'll sit up in a very comfortable way. Now through this process we will start to how to raise the Kundalini energy. We have to follow some steps. So the left hand towards the mother energy, and from the right hand we will do all the functions and the works, because this hand is called as the power of desire, and this hand is like the power of symbolic power, symbolized like as the power of action. So from this we should act. So put this hand on your heart, the left side, and we should ask a question to ourselves from the mother energy within us, which is called as the Kundalini energy. And we should ask the question, am I a pure soul? Oh mother energy, am I a pure soul? We should ask the 3 times. Now put this hand on the upper part of the abdomen area on the left side. Press it hard little bit and ask, am I my own master? We should ask this question for the 6 times. Am I my own master? 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 Now put this hand on the lower part of the abdomen. Press it hard a bit where this Kundalini resides in our body. Here we should ask for the pure desire within us. And this pure desire is nothing but the peace inside, to meet the cosmos energy, to connect with the energy of all the pervading power. Here we should ask the question, Mother, please enlighten the inner knowledge. Mother, please enlighten the inner knowledge. 3 times. Mother, please enlighten the inner knowledge, our pure desire. Now, put this hand back on the upper part of the abdomen. Here we will say, I am my own master, because you get just the knowledge from within. So now you get your knowledge, so you are your own master. So we should ask for ourselves to our inner energy, okay, I am my own master. So 10 times. I am my own master, in a very confident way. I am my own master. Now again put this hand on the heart level. Here we should say for yourself that I am a pure soul. I am a pure soul. I am a pure soul. Now put this hand on your left side of the neck. Press it hard and stretch your hand. Stretch your head towards the opposite direction. Press it hard as much as you can, and just say, I am not feeling guilty. I am not guilty at all. I am not guilty at all. I am an innocent person. I am an innocent person. I am not feeling guilty. Now put this hand on your forehead first. Here press it hard and say, I forgive everyone. I forgive everyone. I forgive myself as well. Take this hand on the back side of your head. Push your head backside on your hand and say, Oh Mother Energy, Oh Mother Nature, please forgive me. Mother Nature, please forgive me of all our mistakes if I did knowingly or unknowingly. Stretch your hand like this and press it on the top of the head like this. Press it more, and we have to rotate it in a clockwise direction so that the skin of the fontanel bone area this here is moving, and we should ask the 7 times for our request for the yoga, the union. Here for 7 times for the self-realization. Oh Mother Energy, please give me my self-realization. Mother, please give me my yoga. Mother, please give me my self-realization. 7 times clockwise direction, rotate it so that the skin will be rotating along with your palm in a clockwise direction. Now both your hands, take both your hands, stretch the palm, push your head back and see the sky and ask for 3 questions to the mother energy. Is this the power of mother energy? Is this the love? Is this the cosmos energy? See the sky upside. Open your eyes as much as you can. Now slowly, slowly take down your hand on the lap and the attention on the top of the head. Sit straight. No thoughts, nothing. There is no any thoughts. If any thoughts came, just say, I forgive. Slowly, slowly breathe up. Breathe down. Now we will lay down for 2 minutes like this. Take your hands upside. Slowly push it back. Push it back more. Now take it reverse, same like come back slowly, slowly. Again take it back slowly, slowly. Now come back. Yeah, you can keep it down. Yes, down slowly. Now we will sit again and bow like as a namaskara, to bow to the mother energy. Now we'll do how to do the yoga, a simple yoga, the meditation process at home. So for this, we will do the balancing for the 3 nadis, the 3 energy centers, the 3 channels, the central channels, the left channel called as Ida Nadi and the right channel called as a Pingla Nadi. Here, for the clearing of the Ida Nadi, the left hand towards like this and the right hand on the Mother Earth. We should say some affirmation like, O Mother Energy, the Mother Earth, please take away all the negativities of our left side. Please clean our Ida Nadi. take this hand, right hand on the lap, and the left hand towards the sky for the cleaning of our the right channel. Here we should pray to the sky element, that please take all the negativities of the right channel called as Pingla Nadi into the sky. Oh Mother Energy, please take all the negativities and the future problems into the sky element. Now both your hand on the heart level, little head down. Here we pray for the balance, for the inner peace and the inner yoga to be in the present state. Nothing about the past, nothing about the future. Just be in the present and enjoy the present time. Here we request for the cleaning for the Sukshma Nadi, the central channel. Mother, please clean our central channel and give us the inner peace. Now both your hand on the lap, slowly, slowly, sit straight properly, breathe up slowly, slowly, and breathe down, again breathe up, hold it for 3 seconds, and release. Breathe up, hold it for 3 seconds, and release. Now say Namaskara. Now how to raise the Kundalini energy from inside? We have to do the left hands and rotate it with the right hands. The first time, slowly, 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 and push your head back and tied it very like that. Slowly, slowly take it down. Again, wrap it slowly, slowly, take it up for all the chakras. Push your head back and tie it 2 times. 1 and 2. And this is the third time for the third channel. Take it up and up, more up. Tie it for the 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Slowly, slowly. And for the protection kavach, from this side, take this energy up and this side again, and take it reverse back. This is one lap for the Muladhara, the second lap for the Swadhisthana, the third lap for the Nabhi Chakra, and the fourth lap for the Anahata Chakra, the 5th lab for the Vishuddhi Chakra, the 6th lab for the Agya Chakra, and the 7th lab, the last, for the Sahasrara Chakra. Now bow. Namaste.